Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. In today's video, I'll be creating this most requested video, which is the clean girl aesthetic makeup look. After watching so many tutorials on YouTube, I felt that this clean makeup look is kinda in between of a no makeup look, a natural dewy finish look and a soft glam makeup look. This is more like a compilation to me. I have literally seen 20 million videos of the same topic, which is the clean girl aesthetic makeup look, and this is my version of a clean makeup look, like how it should be done. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So one of the most important thing is to prep your skin really well, and moisturizing your skin is a must, and especially for a clean makeup look you should really prep your skin so that your skin look nice and clean and juicy. Then for my primer, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth primer. I want my skin to look really nice, juicy, glowy and dewy, so this is perfect for that. And also today I'll be explaining everything step by step, so it would be easier for you to recreate this makeup look. As I don't want my base to look heavy and cakey, so I'm not going to use any foundation today. Instead, I'll be using concealers. So first I'm taking the shade medium and I'm going to use it underneath my eyes or wherever I have a little bit of pigmentation on my skin. So I'll be using it to cover that. And once that is done, I'll be taking the shade tan and I'm going to use it wherever I contour or bronze my face, mainly where I need a little bit of shadow to my face. This is going to give a little bit of warmth and shadow back to my face, and that's how my face is not going to look flat. Then I'm gonna blend everything in with the help of a concealer brush. And make sure to blend the lighter shades first and then the deeper ones so that they don't mix and make a mess. Now I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge and dab it all over my face so that everything looks nice and seamless and blended. Taking a highlighting concealer, and this is from Forever 52. This is such a beautiful concealer and this is in the shade 01. This looks a little lighter on me, so I'm using it as a highlighting concealer and I'm using it on all of the highest points of my face, mainly the areas of my face which I want to bring forward, and I'm gonna blend everything in again with the same concealer brush. Now I'm taking a loose powder and this is from Maybelline. So first I'll be using it to set my under eye area so that it doesn't crease or doesn't crack, and also I'll be using it to set my T-zone area. And as I'm gonna use some cream products on my cheeks, so I'm not gonna use it all over my face. And this loose powder is so good, it just makes your base makeup look flawless, as you can already see in the video. Moving on to the brows, and today I'll be using this newly launched Sugar Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe Tom. This is such a beautiful product, you should definitely try this one out. And here what I'm doing is I'm just lightly filling in my brow so that it looks nice and structured and filled in. Then using a brow gel to set my brow hairs in place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. As you can see here, I took a little bit of loose powder on a flat brush and I'm just cleaning up my brows. Now if you don't want to use a concealer or a foundation to clean your brows, you can totally do it and call it a day. To set my base makeup in place, I'll be using this Inside Makeup Fixer spray. Moving on to the cheeks, and today I'll be using this Nudestix Mini Nude Skin Kit. It comes with a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter. First I'm using the bronzer in the shade Sunkissed and I'm using it wherever I want to bronze my face. And as you can see, it looks so beautiful, nice and dewy and natural. It's perfect for this particular makeup look. Moving on to the blush, and as this is a peach blush, so it looks so beautiful and natural on my skin, and it looks so nice, dewy and juicy. It looks like it's a part of your skin only. For my highlighter, I'll be using the shade Hey Honey, and this looks so nice and natural, especially in summer. I love using it whenever I'm going out. It just makes your skin look wet as if you are sweating, and it just gives you that glowing from within kind of look, which I absolutely love. Now taking this Milani all-in-one face palette, and this is my current favorite. It comes with a blush, a bronzer and also eyeshadows. I'm gonna take the blush topper from this palette, which looks so beautiful on the skin, and to set my cream products on place, I'll be using the blush topper only. So this is how it's gonna set the makeup in place without looking powdery. To contour my eyes, I'll be taking these two shades from this palette and I'll be using it on the socket area to give some definition to my eyes. Now taking the highlighter shade from this palette and applying it all over my eyelid for a wash of color and a little bit of dimension. To make everything look nice and cohesive, I'm taking the blush topper from this palette and applying it on my crease underneath that bronzer shade I applied. And also with the highlighter shade, highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Using a brown eyeliner to create a very nice and clean wing, and reason behind choosing a brown eyeliner is it's not as dark as a black one. So first I'll be flicking it out and create a very crisp wing on the outer corners of my eyes, and then I will tight line with the same brown kajal. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara, and I'm using everyone's favorite LOreal Lash Paradise. I'm gonna take the same brown eyeliner that I've used earlier, and then I will create a very small wing on the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look nice and elongated. Using a little bit of loose powder to clean the edges. I want my lips to look nice and structured today, so I had to use a lip liner, and as you guys already know by now, this is my current favorite lip liner, and this is Hype from K-Beauty. Then I'm using a lip gloss from KIRO, and this is my current favorite, and I'm using it back to back in my videos, so you guys know by now how much I love it. And this is perfect for the summer season. Now I wanted a little more highlighter, so I'm adding a little more from the Milani palette, and it just added that right amount of pop that I was missing out. And lastly, adding this eyeshadow stick on my waterline to give my eyes that nice and clean look. So yes, with that's the completed makeup look. I am in love with the way my makeup has turned out. I hope you guys like this video too. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.